Okay, so in this problem, h value is missing. So let me write that as 1. H value as 1. Right. So look at the given equation. So we know the standard form of the wave equation. So utt equal to c square into ux6. And look at the given equation. So utt equal to 4 into ux6. So we can compare these two values. So c square equal to 4. So what is c? So let me consider positive value 2. The first column. So u of 0 comma t is given. So that is 0. The last column is also 0. T value from 0 to 2. And here h value is given. And we know the formula in the wave equation. What is that? K equal to h by c. For the heat equation, alpha equal to kc square by h square. Remember. Right. So here h equal to 1. So c equal to 2. So k equal to what? 1 by 2. So let me write the x values and k values. Boundary condition 0 to 5 with the step size 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To write the x values, you need to make use of the step size h equal to 1. And look at the t value. So t value is given. So what is that? It is, okay. So t value is from 0 to 2. And the step size is 1 by 2 for t. So 0, 0, 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2 by 2 and 1, 3 by 2, 4 by 2. Now, look at the boundary condition. Here u of 0 comma t and u of 5 comma t both are equal to 0. And the first column, last column 0. To calculate the first row, we have to make use of the initial condition. This one. So u of x comma 0, that is equal to x into 5 minus x. So feed this to your calculator. So it is x into 5 minus x. X value 1, it is 4. And for x value 2, it is 6. And for the x value 3, which is 6. And for the x value 4, which is 4. And we are in the wave equation. We have two formula for the second row and remaining row. So we can say that a equal to b plus c divided by 2. And for the remaining rows, what is the formula? So we have this a, this b, the formula hakbidi prati problem c, and this is d. So what is a here? b plus c minus d. It is for the second row, just take the average of the diagonal blocks. 0 plus 6 divided by 2, 3. 4 plus 6, 10 divided by 2, 5. 6 plus 4 divided by 2, 5. 6 plus 0 divided by 2, 3. For the remaining rows, 0 plus 5 minus 4, 1. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 minus 6, 2. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 6, 2. 5 plus 0, minus 4, 1. And for the next row, 0 plus 2, 2. 2 minus 3, minus 1. And 1 plus 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 5, minus 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 5, minus 2. 2 plus 0, minus 3. Minus symmetric agide gottagutte nimage. 0 minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 5. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5. And minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1,